Hey, what's up, everybody? 3D here, otherwise known as Dollar Bills. Hey, I'm got another thing I want to show you. If you're new to Power Lead System, I want to give you a real quick thing of what to do first. Okay, I know it's overwhelming. You get in there and start looking around, and you don't know where to start. But I'm going to give you a quick head start here. Okay, I want you to go into your web browser and go to your login, which is my company admin.com. Okay, mycompanyadmin.com. And then you just need your username and your password. And we'll log in here. Okay, so once you get in here, before you do anything else, if you want a quick way to just get a link out there and get a sales funnel out on the web, Facebook or somewhere like that, where you can start promoting, and then come back in and do some learning, after that, just hit this Get Started button, okay? And then see this button right here? It says click the easy button. Click the easy button. And then getting started in 3 simple steps. First thing you want to do is join the Facebook group. Click here. That'll take you right to the Facebook group. Now, I'm already logged in, so I'm not going to do it right now, but you would just get in there and hit the request button. It's real simple. Once you do it, you'll see what I'm talking about. And then the second thing is you want to either choose link A or B to promote. Now, what I'm going to suggest you do right now, just go with link A. This is going to be Power Lead System only. The only difference between link A and link B is if you already have a company that you're promoting, if you select link B on the auto-responding emails that go out, which you'll understand later, they incorporate a way to send out emails and include your other company's website link within those emails. But for now, for simplicity's sakes, and to get you started quick, just to help you get a sales funnel out there on the web and give you something to start promoting until you get back in here and do some training and learn, just hit this referral link A, okay? And all that is going to be a lead to this picture right here, and you're going to post this link on the internet, okay? And the way you do that is just copy this link, copy link, and then open up, let's say we want to open up Facebook. We're going to put this on Facebook, okay? Oh, shoot, I got to log in here. Okay, so I've got that copied. All you got to do is go to what's on your mind, click, whoop, and copy, right click, and paste. And look at that. And I post it. It is that easy, folks. Now I got that link up there. Now, if anybody looks at that and say, well, what's Bill into? What's going on here? If they click this, it's going to open up in a new page. Now, this is what we call a capture page, okay, or a landing page. So you look here, if somebody's going to see this and they want to get information, they just put their email address in here. And go to the next step, okay? And they say, let me in. Whoop. Yeah, that's me, bd3@comcast.net. It don't like my email address. comcast.net, bd3d@comcast.net. The heck? I don't know why it's not working, folks. Oh, I don't have the .net in there. Duh. Okay, then they got to enter this YBN1 is a verification code. All this is so they know you're not a robot. You're not doing like an automatic logging in thing. And it hits submit. And once that person has done that, your email is going to be collected in our system for follow-up emails, and the system takes over and then sends out auto-responding emails. Okay, but this video here just gives you an overview, and then your prospects go from there. So let me close this out. I want to do this one more time just so you guys see how simple this is, okay? At least they'll give you something to start promoting. Let me kill this, delete. I'm going to go back out of here. Well, I'll just leave that open. So basically, I'm going to start over, okay? So you're going to log in from the login page at mycompanyadmin.com. mycompanyadmin.com. Put your username in and your password. Go to the Getting Started button. Click the Easy button. If you want to watch the video, you can. It'll explain what I'm doing here. Copy referral link A. Go to Facebook. Now I'm going to drop this in my, I have a separate marketing machine profile in here for my 3D marketing machine business, my online business. And I'm going to go ahead and drop that link right here so people can see this video, or maybe see this and get curious about it. I'm going to put this video I'm making in here pretty soon too. But anyhow, publish. And that's it. Pretty simple. Okay, anybody got any questions on that? Where'd it go? It's going to look different for mine because I'm in my administrative side. I'll do it again over here. I'll just post it in here, paste. There it is, and then post. That's all you got to do. Got it? Okay. Now, if you want to take it one step farther, now I'm not going to do that right now. That'll give you something to just post and get familiar with posting it, how the sales funnel works as far as what your prospects are going to see when they come across that link, what happens when they enter their email address and click the next Get Information button, take them through that sales funnel. Okay, so pretty simple. And then get in the training tabs in the, once you do that, then the next place I'm going to tell you to do is go to the training area. Okay, and you have to create a username and log in to do that. So that's a kind of a quick start, just a recommended thing to get, at least get moving in a forward moving direction. I'll put some other things on here shortly about how to get different groups on Facebook and how you can promote on different groups and how to get more exposure and more traffic to your link. So anyhow, checking out for now. Hope you guys got something out of that. And remember, doubt is your enemy. So action will take you out of doubt, or doubt can take you out of action. So always take action, people. Talk to you later.